Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set who can view your story in the Snapchat app. First, let's open up the app. Here it opens up in the camera. From here we just go into the profile menu, then into the settings. Then we scroll down and under privacy control we have view my story. Here it's either friends only, which means that whoever is in your friends list in the Snapchat app can view your story, or it's custom, which means that you can select the people from your friends list that you want to be able to view your story. So if you have some particular friends that you want to share your stories with, you can select them and then they can see the thing that you posted. Or if you don't have these particular people, you can just set friends only and that's it. So thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.